Hey guys, in this video I'm at my friend's house and we're clearing out all his garden. We've got a Numatic Wv900 which he's bought a few months ago, and we're going to be putting it to test it against some compost and dirt and leaves and twigs. Alright, so Harry, what do you have to say about this? How do you think it's going to look?
Personally, I think this is all going to be great, because there's also some dirt around there as well that we could hoover up. So we've been doing the fence as well, not that fence, but everything on the garage and around there as well.
There's another gate there, metal gate, so we've done that.
Which we're going to do later. And now, let me just move this out of the way. Just that thing. Okay, now it's time
to turn him on.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
I'd say I'm going to move out this clump here so it doesn't get...
No, it's fine. It's fine. I'll do it after.
Alright, you ready? Shall I turn him on?
On. 3, 2, 1, go.
Look at that.
I think he's clogged, to be fair.
Turn him off?
Yeah, sure, turn him off.
Right,
have a look.
Now let's have a flip.
Over. Oh, yes, clogged.
Oh,
what did you do yourself? Right. That's fine, let's give it another go.
Okay, let's just turn him on.
Let's turn him on, let's see.
Okay, record this.
Yep. Yeah. Alright, we're good. Back in business. There you go. Okay, carry on. So far going good, and hopefully soon the job will be done. So now what we're going to do, we're going to take off the floor tool and we're going to get the large stuff out.
Yeah, turn him on?
Yeah. So now we're going to take off the floor tool.
Okay, let me just take it off.
Whoa, we must have got into
Okay, now what should we put on?
Alright, now we're going to do the edging. I'll suck up all the leaves.
Now we're just using that.
Yep, turn them on.
Right, this isn't even clogged. You ready?
Yep,
Right,
3, 2, 1, go.
Look at those ants.
Oh yeah. Get these leaves up. Yeah, it's going good. Yep, there you go. Gone.
Shall I do some?
Yeah, sure, why not? Is it strong?
Yep, making sure he's not clogged.
What did he put? I think he turned them off, yeah. Because I have an idea. Because normally in my mum's shop, yeah, I use Charles. I'll take this part off and use that metal part to go inside that, and so then you got that rubber part to go on the floor so it doesn't scratch. Think about it.
What? So we just like flip this around?
Yeah,
or something?
and take this off. No. Take that off. Take this off. Take this off. Take that off. So now we're going to take off the wand, the wand handle, and we're going to put put that down somewhere. There you go, the handle. Now you got to put the metal end to the.
Oh,
hose.
so it's like this.
Yes, so it doesn't scratch. That's the whole reason why we're doing this, so it's better as well.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
lighter.
I've seen you done this in one of your vids before.
Yeah, I always do it. Turn them on now.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Is it strong? Sorry? Not too strong.
It's okay. It'll work.
Leave. Got the soil.
Don't get through here, that's going to be a lot.
Oh, yes. You've got it.
Record it.
I am. Wicked. It's not really eating that much currently. I think it's blocked up. Still picking up stuff though. I'm gonna check. It's not that strong suction.
It's still sucking up well.
Yeah, it's gone through.
It sounds blocked.
It is blocked.
Then can we
Turn them up. Alright.
Okay, we should rinse this hose through.
No, because that's gonna block it out even more. So it went well, but it's
the hose sounds clogged up.
I think it's the actual
let's
machine.
have a look. See.
I think it's in there. Yeah, it's in there. Can you not do it on the grass?
Bro, it's all.
Running.
What on earth was that? That's because it's full, I think. Alright, we're gonna open him up now.
Yep. We're gonna see a lot of spider webs in there, I think.
Possibly.
Hopefully not spiders. Alright, open them up. Let's have a look.
Okay, ready? Okay. Oh, it's because okay, the filters.
The filter's not. You can wash it after.
This is.
Yeah, it's basically the bag connector. It's the diversion one.
Yeah.
So it says, oh my, you done it on yourself. Look at his trousers.
Oh. Yeah.
Alright, put that back on. We'll do it. We'll clean it. We'll clean everything after. We'll give it. Oh my god.
Oh,
That is bad.
I'm letting go.
It's even on your, behind.
Oh. I'm gonna be cleaning myself after this.
Yep. I'll see you just get a shower after. Alright.
Okay, now.
Put the motor
now
in.
it's all clear.
It should be a lot more easier.
But let's have a look at the motor.
It should not be that bad. It's just dry. Nothing's gonna go in there. So yeah. The dust is still coming out. So see, turn them on now.
Okay, now what, do I just turn them on?
Yeah, just turn them on.
It's all good.
All good.
Now
So
we can just suckle that back up again.
yeah, do
Let's
that
just
again.
crunch this.
Yeah,
As you can see, I'm in a bit of a state
yeah.
here, but who cares? I'm gonna put this back on.
Right. Now you can pick up all that junk. And we might,
If I can actually put the hose.
yeah. And we might clean up the swimming pool as well. There's a few leaves on it, so yeah.
So I need to actually learn to put hoses on.
Alright.
Right. Ready? Shall I do it?
Yep, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, come on. Strong. Yes, come on, there you go. I don't think Wv900 liking it, but it isn't working back. So it doesn't like it.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah, it's behind it, I know. Oh, yes. Look behind the wheel. Do it behind the pink wheel. Pink wheel.
Where?
Blue wheel. Yes, got that right. Just like. I don't want these cabins, but okay.
I don't know.
Oh, do the bins.
Hey, look at this. Look at this round here.
Yeah, I know, but the bins need. No, don't do that. Do the bins. Yes. Oh, that looks wicked.
Hey, look at this.
It's hanging on for dear life, honestly. Wow. We haven't done it properly still though.
That's okay. We don't need to do the bends.
Right, so go take WV. I'll go take WV around. There's a lot of dirt there around here.
I'll bring in.
Yep. See that dirt? It's got a lot of that. And Harry, your swimming pool's green. It is green, my guy.
That ain't good.
Alright, in that there, see that? You see that, guys?
For this.
You see that? Alright, 3, 2, 1, go! Slowly. Right, see that? Yeah, this is just a part of the stuff we're doing today. We have a lot planned.
Yes,
I've blocked up. See that? Yeah, sweet.
a nice crunched up leaf.
Boom, gone.
I need like, yeah, he likes it.
So yeah, I think this is it for this video, guys. Because I don't want the camera to overheat because it is kind of overheating. But this is it. It's
So-
pretty much as bad.
Shall we show them the inside before
Sure.
before we go?
Yep, why not?
Okay,
You lot
ready
will
to-
like this.
Now we're gonna. There should be a lot more in him now because before we started doing that, there wasn't a lot in him. Now I'm just gonna.
Yep.
Ready? 3.
2. No, wait. All right, now 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my God! Look at that filter. Oh my God!
Gosh.
Wow. There's still more over there as well, but the hoover's gonna overheat, so we're gonna leave them like that for today.
Let me just
I'm sure you wanted to see the dust coming off that filter. That is nasty.
We're gonna give this a wash later on.
Yeah, after we're done the hoovering. Oh my God. No, don't do that. It's gonna go everywhere.
Alright.
And that's all about it, yeah. Alright, put it back in.
Well, is that it for the vid?
Yep, show the guys the motor. Single motor.
Single motor.
Alright. Alright, bye guys. Have an amazing day.
See ya, guys.
Subscribe button. Bye guys.